Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this Maytag MHWE300VW is the model number. Really, you don't need to take the top portion off of your washer like we did on this one. Actually, that was done before. We are going to take off the wire right here. Let's go ahead and listen to what the complaint was to why I was overlooking at this. Okay, and then the only thing that was working before was just this control lock, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And nothing else?
Okay. Well, it just wouldn't go on. It wouldn't turn the lights on or anything.
Okay.
But your mom's out there.
But that light would have, that light would come on? This?
Oh, oh, will if you hold it.
Before.
Yeah, that would happen before. Okay, so that worked, but nothing else worked, because I remember that.
Everything is blank, black.
Okay. So then, after doing some quick research, found out the motor control on these are known to be bad. So figured out where the location is, which is right here on the inside panel. The lower panel or kick panel does need to be removed. Here's the motor controller itself. It's got a little cover on it. Kind of hard to take it off the first time. Go ahead and rip that thing off. You can see the motor in the background too, to the upper right hand side. So what I was doing was just disconnecting the motor controller. This blue wire right here leads to it. Right there. Be careful of this connection. You don't want to ruin the prongs or the female connector. Also make sure your wash machine is unplugged from the wall while messing with this part. Also, make sure you check the description for a link to buy these parts if needed as well. So I'm just going to disconnect this, leave it unplugged for maybe 10 seconds, plug it back in, and test the wash machine. Let's see what happens. That seems to work just fine. So right now, should plan on replacing the motor controller or the motor soon. But go ahead and like, subscribe, and share in the meantime, and hopefully I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.